Hello, Sashin here, back at English Access again, and today I want to give you some tips on how to use there, and there correctly. Okay, so the first common mistake is using there for possession. Okay, we use there for possession. This is their classroom. There is a pronoun. Okay, that's the first one. Number two, they are. This is just a contraction of the two words they are, and they is also a pronoun. So, for example, they are not at school today. They is a pronoun. And the third and final one is there. Now there's actually two uses for this. The first one is to indicate a fact. For example, there are two children. This is the first use of there, used to indicate or show a fact. The second use of there is as a preposition. For example, the books are over there. The students are there. And this usually goes at the end of the sentence if it's a preposition. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps you speak English better.